Hope you got yours, cause I got mine. I'm talking Payoneer, net spin, Venmo, stash. Too many ways for you to run my cash.
Check reparations, 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 check.
Yeah, well if you talking compensation, it's about that time. You get everybody.
All giggity. It is Jay Liggity, and this is the Keep It Piggity podcast. You already know what the deal is. Not trying to show you what to think, trying to show you how to think. That's the reason why I bust down the articles the way I do, and this one should be no different, my friend. We got Cuba Gooding Jr. back on the scene. Obviously, they got to talk about a black man because there's a few white guys in the news right now, and they just Lord forbid that a black white man is the face of rape or anything like that. So now they talk about Cuba Gooding Jr. It says the anonymous woman and actor Cuba Gooding Jr. have resolved the matter in a general federal civil rape case against him, according to the court document entry. Now, okay, there's a lot of other stuff to talk about right now. This just breaking news though. You gotta know that he settled this case real quick, huh? It says the trial was set to kick off on Tuesday with the jury selection, but now off of the calendar, as the docket states. It says the woman had alleged that Gooding raped her at the Mercer Hotel in August of 2013 after meeting her in a bar earlier that night. Gooding has assessed that the altercation was consensual, which it was. But when you're black, and sorry to say it, buddy, but you're messing with the snow bunnies, son. And when you're messing with the snow bunnies, they pretty much got free reign to just go ahead and say whatever they want to say, fam. You should already know what you're dealing with, fam. But anyway, nonetheless, uh, the anonymous accuser filed a claim under New York City Victim of Gender Motivated Violence Protection Law, which is basically I'm just white. I'm white and I say so. Um, it alleging that Jane Doe suffered as a result of being a victim of violence committed on the basis of gender and due to, at least in part, to an animus based on gender. See, that's a whole bunch of word salad mumbo jumbo. See how they just reach for the stars and straws to convict and get a black man with it? I think it's a joke. It goes on to say, federal judge presiding over the case ruled last Friday that the accuser must identify herself in an amended complaint to file on the docket Monday ahead of this trial. And an amended complaint revealed her identity does not appear on the public court document. So there goes more explaining for little Jane. Little Jane Doe wanted to be a hoe, and now everybody's still explaining for her. But you can convict somebody, but when it's time to put your name out there, you know what I'm saying? CNN reached out to attorney Jane Doe and Gooding. Gooding, 55, is best known for, now they want to drag him through a mud so you can try to remember him. Don't you remember he did Jerry Maguire? You know he did Jerry Maguire, right? You know he did radio, right? Said last year he pled guilty to a misdemeanor charge of forcibly touching a woman in New York in a nightclub. Oh, so they just got to run down everything. All his little priors. Look at the black male demonization in the newspaper. You don't even see this type of stuff when there's clear killers that have went on a whole rampage. You don't hear about their priors. You don't hear about none of their other convictions. I'm not even going to read the rest of it. It goes on to say, Gooding complied with the terms of the plea deal and did not face any jail time, according to the Manhattan District Attorney. In October, he pleaded guilty to a lesser harassment violation, but no criminal charges remain. So y'all just really on this man's little penile, huh? That's what you doing? Hmm? You just on his little penile strap, huh? It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. See, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. See, y'all gonna learn, man. You're gonna learn, buddy. What's already known ain't gotta be said, but you gonna learn, buddy. And I ain't gonna hold you. I just wanted to put that little bug in your ear real quick. You know what I'm saying? So you know where it's coming from and what's going down. I, J Lava, this is High Lava Music TV, B1 24/7, all day long. You know what I'm talking about? And I got 4 words for you: like, share, subscribe, comment. Anything you want to say in the comments, you can say whatever. And then I also got another 4 words for you. It's love, peace, blessings, and aloha. Because I'm out the Doha for sure. You already know.